1-1 draw here at the Tivoli Sports Complex. Alton Lewis on the score sheet. And you must be pleased about his performance today.
Well, you know, Alton still playing in spurts, but it was a good goal.
You noticed that you have taken off Fuller midway in the second half, and the team basically naturally went to a low block. Was that intentional from game?
Well, you know, Fuller is a youngster. The unnecessary card resulting, it's best that we make a tactical change, because knowing how he plays, he will just do something silly again. Seeing that if you watch his body language after the card, it never looked good. But it was a tactical change.
Goalkeeping seems to be a constant nail in the coffin for Tivoli guards this season. Yet again, a ball that your goalkeeper could have come for, he stayed inside it.
Yeah, you call it nail in the coffin. Well, classify it as an error. And it's a continuous error that we are trying to see how fast we can fix it, because once you reach in the top 6, you cannot make those mistakes.
Going forward, the top 6 is near, and it's very new for Tivoli Gardens. How are you preparing the players for that?
The players, I think they're ready mentally. And if you notice, you know, it's 7 games now, unbeaten. So that speaks volume, and it only can get better. But we still have to, you know, eliminate the errors in defense.
As the Tivoli Gardens people continue to support you, what message you would like to send to the fans going forward?
No, well, if you notice, the turnout was excellent today again, and they are behind, you know, the team, and we're looking forward to more numbers, you know, as the season progresses.
All right, Coach, all the best.
All right.